Alright, hi, my name is Jason, and today we are going to do another math tutorial on solving these type of function problems. And this is the question. So it asks, a vending machine currently sells packages of chips that sell for $4, and they sell 100 packages. They find that for each 45-cent increase, they lose 5 customers. So that's the problem, and now these are the two questions that they ask. So the first one is, write a function to represent this problem. There's a hint, which is make sure that the dependable variable is profit. So we're gonna start off by doing letter A. So let's just do A like this. So we have the values $4. So I'm gonna write this down. $4. Sorry, I'm gonna change this. Sorry. You have $4. We also have 100 as a value. We also have 0.45, which is the cents. And it also says they lose 5 customers. So we're going to just write the number 5 down. It's going to be -5 actually. Okay, so to put this into the equation, so when they say hint, so the profit is the dependable variable. So when they say that, that means it's going to be everything has to equal to the P. So P for profit. So P stands for profit. So let's put this into an equation. So first off, let's put up maybe 100, I guess. And let's do -5. And I think we should just add the x like this. We can add an x to just represent this. We're going to close the bracket and do another opening one. And we're going to add the $4. We're just going to put 4, just the number 4. We don't have to put 4.00. And now we're going to add this 0 to 0.45. And we're going to put an x with this. So after this is done, we're going to just write an equal sign, and we're going to solve for this. So let's say we do, let's say if we multiply these, so let's just do 100 times 0.45x. This is going to equal to 45x. So that's one value. Next one we'll do is 100 times 4. That equals to 400. So far we have two values, 45x and 400. Next one we are going to do is -5x times 0.45x, and this is going to equal to -2.25x squared. And the last one we are going to do is -5 times 4, which is equal to -20x. So far we have an equation of, so with the values that we have, it is 45x plus 400 minus 2.25x squared. Sorry, looks like and minus 20x. So let's make this bigger. Okay. So after this, we can just collect like terms, and we can just do we can do 45x minus 20x. So we're gonna take the p, and we're just gonna move the 20. So it's gonna be 45x minus 20, which will equal to 25. So once we have the 25, this will be 25x So this is going to be the new equation. So negative 2.25x squared plus 25x plus 400. So this is the function that we got. And next up, we have the next question. Let's just extend this. So sorry. Alright, let's do letter B. So the question is asking, determine the profit after 10 increases in price. So, and the hint is also x is equal to 10. So all we have to do in this situation is just write down this equation. So we got the numbers negative 2.25x squared plus 25x plus 400. So what we're gonna do is actually just, since they gave there's a hint of 10 as the x, we're gonna substitute 10 for the x. So let's do negative 2.25 again times 10 squared plus 25 times 10 plus 400. Now p is equal to, so once we get these values, this is gonna, so once you do 10 squared and then you multiply these two, you should get negative 225 as the first value for doing this calculation. Next up is actually going to be the 25 times 10, and that's 250. So you're going to add the negative 225 plus 250 and then add the 400. So once you do negative 225 plus 250, you're going to get 25. So 25 plus 400. Let's extend this. And so once we do, once we have this, it's just going to be 25 plus 400, which is 425. And that is it. That is the profit that will be made once it increases by 10. So you can say a therefore statement by saying the profit will be $425 once. Oh my gosh, I am so bad at this. Sorry. Should stop. So once it increases by 10. So just looking at this, this is the answer. So this is the function that is built up by the information that is given, and for part B, it just asks for the profit after 10 increases in price, and all you have to do is just substitute the 10 into the x, and you should get a value of $425 as the profit. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned from this.